Some cars don't just lose value, they completely collapse. Brand new 2023 and 2024. Models that were once hyped have now become financial nightmares for their owners. People are thousands of dollars underwater on their loans, and even dealers don't want to keep them on their lots. Today, we're checking out the cars that might be worth almost nothing by 2026. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Wish Drive and drop your thoughts in the comments. Your opinion really matters. Ford F-150 Lightning. Before price, 2023 new, $62,000. After price, 2024-25 used, $30,500, $41,000. Loss, 33%, 38%. The Lightning launched with insane hype. It was supposed to be the future of electric trucks, but buyers quickly realized the real-world range drops 30–40% when towing or driving in cold weather. And here's the painful part. Owners trading in their trucks are being offered way below what they owe. Many are $7,000, $12,000 underwater on loans. Dealers quietly reduced inventory and started offering huge markdowns on brand new models just to move them. The hype was big, but the market reaction was even bigger, and not in a good way. Two-car Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Before price, 2023 new, $92,000. After price, 2024-25 used, $57,000, $60,000. Loss, 35%, 40%. A luxury SUV this expensive must hold value. But the Wagoneer dropped fast. Why? Extremely high running costs, oversupply of inventory, big dealership discounts on new models, slow demand in the luxury full-size SUV market. Dealers admit these sit for weeks, even after heavy price cuts. The moment this SUV leaves the showroom, its value falls like a rock. Trois quarts Genesis GV60. Before price, 2023 new, $59,000. After price, 2024-25 used, $33,000, $36,000. Loss, 38%, 43%. The GV60 is packed with amazing tech, facial recognition, fingerprint start, crazy fast charging. But luxury EV buyers still trust Tesla, BMW, Mercedes more. Genesis is still new in the premium electric world. Battery aging concerns and rapid EV competition hurt resale badly. Dealers report slow used market demand and heavy incentives on brand new units, which pushes used prices even lower. 4 Tesla Cybertruck. Before price, launch 2023-24, $79,990. After price, 2024-25 used, $48,000, $55,000. Loss, 30%, 40%. Cybertruck hype was global, but the real world had other plans. Build quality issues, limited production, expensive repairs, a design that only appeals to a niche audience. Early owners tried flipping and got burned with massive losses. Even today, values jump up and down because the market isn't sure how stable this vehicle is long-term. 5-car Toyota BZ4X. Before price, 2023 new, $42,000. After price, 2024-25 used, $24,000, $27,000. Loss, 35%, 42%. Even Toyota struggled with this one. Early range issues, major recall, heavy competition from Hyundai Kia, lower buyer interest in Toyota's first mass EV. Owners expected Toyota reliability, but resale dropped almost immediately after release. Dealers reduced prices aggressively, causing used values to fall even faster. X-Car. Dodge Hornet, fastest depreciation. Before price, 2023 new, $33,000. After price, 2024-25 used, $15,800, $17,000. Loss, 48%, 52%. This compact SUV has one of the worst resale drops of any new car. Why? Too much supply. Low buyer interest. A weak brand reputation in small SUVs. Fleet and rental sales pushing used prices down. Dealers say these get traded in constantly and usually at huge losses. 7 BMW EX. Before price, 2023 new, $87,000. After price, 2024-25 used, $48,000. $52,000. Loss, 40%, 45%. A luxury EV losing nearly half its value in 1 year? Harsh, but here's why. Expensive repair costs, fast-aging EV tech. Buyers prefer updated models, high insurance rates. Dealers say used iX units sit longer than expected because shoppers know a newer version will always bears. Nissan Ariya, before price, 2023 new, $45,000. After price, 2024-25 used, $20,000, $22,000. Loss, 50%, 55%. Car concept details. The EV market is evolving rapidly and new models quickly make older ones obsolete. Dealers worry that its value could drop even further in the next month. Second-hand buyers remain cautious, causing this SUV's value to decline quickly. It looks like the car of the future. But dealers know this SUV could drain your wallet. 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT. Before price, 2023 new, $87,000. After price, 2024-25 used, $48,000, $52,000. Loss, 40%, 45%. Car concept details. High price plus expensive repairs. Plus a rush of new EV models in the market have caused this luxury electric car to depreciate quickly. The moment it leaves the showroom, its value starts dropping. Dealers avoid keeping it in stock for long because it can tie up their cash. Hook. This luxury EV looks stunning, but dealers know keeping it in stock is risky. Alfa Romeo Giulia. Before price, 2023 new, $61,000. After price, 2024-25 used, $24,500, $26,000. Loss, 57%, 60%. Car concept details. High price plus, low demand in the second-hand market, plus lack of buyer confidence are causing this sports sedan to lose value rapidly. For dealers, it's slow-moving inventory, and delayed sales lead to losses. With little market interest, its price continues to drop steadily. Stylish to look at, but dealers know it won't stay long in stock. If you're planning to buy a car in 2026, make sure you know which models hold value and which ones quietly drain your wallet. Hit that subscribe button on Wish. Drive for more real market insights and tell me in the comments, which car shocked you the most?